Today we're going to make the front part of our picture frame. And the way that we're going to do that is by laying coils around this guide here. So I'm going to take a small chunk of clay off, kind of like this size, and then I'm going to squeeze it into a longer shape here. That'll just make it easier to start rolling my coil. There we go, kind of like this. And then I'm going to roll back and forth to create an even coil. Something like this right here. And then once we have a nice coil, I'm going to lay it on top, actually inside these lines right here, like this. And then I can just pinch it off at the end right here. And then I'm going to do the same thing again for the other side. So I'll take a small piece off, and then I'm going to lay it on top of the other coil that I have here. So again, I'm going to squeeze this and then roll it on the table using the flat part of my palm and go from one end all the way to the other. And then once I'm finished creating a nice even coil that's about the same thickness as the other, I can lay it on top of the other one and then pinch off at the end. I do want to overlap them in the corner here because that's how they're going to attach to each other. Then I'll do the same with the others. Now, once we've got all 4 coils, we're just going to go to each of the corners and press them down so that they stick together. And then we're going to do one more step. We're going to use one of these rolling tools, which has some different designs on it, and create some impressions in our picture frame. So you can see the different kinds of designs we have. You can use whatever you have. And then we're going to just sort of press this onto the picture frame and keep it kind of steady, and then you'll see that the design shows up. We're going to do that with each side of our picture frame. And this will also help to keep it together. All right, and that's as far as we're going to get today. We're going to let this dry and then place it in the kiln so that next time we can glaze it, and then of course at the very end also add our pictures to it.